Meaning of importance.
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 Importance. Importance refers to the quality or state of being significant, valuable, or necessary. It implies that something carries weight and has a considerable impact on a given situation or outcome. Understanding the importance of a particular matter is crucial for making informed decisions, setting priorities, and achieving success. Recognizing the significance of one's actions and responsibilities can lead to greater accountability and drive towards meaningful goals. In summary, importance is a fundamental concept that helps individuals and organizations assign value to various factors and strive towards positive outcomes.